Wouldn't it be great to take your home fire with you? That's my idea when I've seen this cubic mini stove in Canada on their website. If you Google cubic mini stove, we're going further and further, and we'd like to go into more and more of the mountains. So there it is, really small little cubic mini. This is just burning off the factory residue, giving it the first fire, and then I'll be testing the direct temperatures. There's a mounting plate, which is going to be interesting to configure in the van because it just normally goes onto a wall. Flue, this is it at full temperature, pretty much full temperature. Flue seems okay, the floor seems okay, and the important bit at the back seems okay where I'll be mounting it. So I have to think about how to get it into the van. So decided to where I wanted it. It came with an optional extra side plate, which is perfect for mounting. You can see there it's still in the grey. And my idea is to make like a buddy seat, and then it'll fold back or retract back. So you can see here I put it on sliders, and then I've mounted the side plate that's an optional extra. So it'll go into position. I'll have to figure out how to lock it. Forward and back should be easy enough, just with probably a wooden dowel pin. Need to get a few cobwebs off the garage, obviously. So here we are, ready to mount this part on. You can see the side bit, side protection there, which will be the heat, because you want about a 20-inch surround from the front. Good old bottle opener. This is it's mounted, and I've obviously always got help from the dogs. It's been a wee bit while in the making because we had a lot of snow here, but get the garage heated up. Dogs always help tidy up, and then we'll put it in the van in the position where it's going to go. Still a few tweaks to go yet, still a few bits I'm waiting on, but this will slide back in position. I'll be able to lock it down and get the fire going.